Hello, how is everyone? I'm Kiana, and today we will be discussing variables in JavaScript. In JavaScript, variables are containers that store data values. Similar to a placeholder, there are global and local variables, but we will discuss the difference between them later. To give a variable a value, you want to use the reserved tag var. Variable identifier, for today we're going to use car. Use the equal sign as an assignment operator. Set it or give it a value. Today we will be setting it to Bentley. And close the statement with a semicolon. So it will look like this. You need to add your script tags if you haven't already. Add your script tags. And then we are going to, never changed this to car here. So we are going to set our variable to car. Var is our reserve tag, and then our variable identifier will be car for the beginning of this example, and our assignment operator will be equal, and you need to have quotation marks around your value if it's a string. So today it will be Bentley, and then we need a semicolon. And to test to see if that will be correct, we will do document.write car semicolon save file, and we should get Bentley printed out. Open with Chrome, Bentley, and that is how you set a variable. So you say, why does that make sense? Well, let's say you're hired for or at an automotive store and they carry certain cars. So let's say they're getting luxury cars in now and they want you to make an inventory sheet. And the inventory sheet is basically setting the value. So we're going to say var our luxury. We're going to say lux coupe. And this will be our first model. So we know that they carry Bentleys. So Bentley. And then their second model, because they're just getting started, they have two models. They have Jaguars. So what variables can do also is let us know how many coupes or how many luxury coupes we have on the lot today. So we're going to add a break right here because I like to have space. So we're just going to add a break to get our other answer. And we are going to say, okay, now go to your handy computer and I need to know if what kind of coupes, luxury coupes do we have on the lot. So you would say document.write lux coupe plus, we're going to add another break because I like my space. So we're going to print it on a separate line. Lux coupe 1 and Lux coupe 2. So we need another plus sign to add the strings together and tell us what type of coops we have on the lot today. And just to get ready for our next line, we will add a line break here so we won't write on the same line. And we will ask for it to print us out. We will save and then ask how or what kind of coops do you have on a lot today? And we are going to say open with Chrome, open with Chrome. And as you can see, it has added Bentleys and Jaguars. And if you just want to exit this out just to make sure, we're going to put this as notes. So we can see that we have Bentleys and Jaguars on the lot today. File save. So right now it's going to take away the first Bentley. Save. And then actually we can just refresh it. And as you can see, it took away Bentley. And I don't know why this popped up, but it did. So I think I just reopened it. So let's say we can also say how many we have. We can set the variables to numbers as well. So we're going to say bar, and let's say we have black Bentleys, and we have 3 on a lot. So with numbers, you don't need the quotation marks, so we're just going to hit 3 and semicolon, and then for the gray, we have gray Bentleys on the lot, because I like black Bentleys and I like dark gray Bentleys. And we have 7 of those on the lot today. What am I doing? And all everything. So 7 and semicolon. So now we want to ask how many do we have, or let's say they asked you how many Bentleys you have on the lot. So then you're going to ask it to print out document right. You know, I like my space. So we're going to do bracket, line break, so we can make sure we go under Jaguar, comma. We're going to put in a little sentence here. There are and here is where we are going to use our variables. There are black Bentleys plus gray Bentleys. The rest of our sentence here. Another line break, because you know we need space around here, especially in the virtual world. If there's unlimited space, why not use it? And we are going to see if it gives us, which it should say, there are, let's just say 10 Bentley coupes. So we're going to hit save, file, save, refresh, and there we have it. There are 10 Bentley coupes. Oh, and I'm sorry, actually I see that we have missed a semicolon here, which could actually, in some cases, create a problem. But because of the way JavaScript was written earlier, it didn't cause a problem here today. But we're going to add that, And then we are going to save this again, save, and then just double check that is still good. It is still good. There are 10 Bentley Coupes on the lot, and we have Bentleys in stock, and we have Jaguars on the lot today as well. Would you like to buy one today? Okay, but anyway, those are variables, and hopefully that this was a little helpful to you, and check back to see the next tutorial. Thanks and have a great day.